Hello everyone and welcome to our video. Today in this quick tutorial I will be teaching you guys how to fix no sound issue in Mobile Legends on iPhone. So without any delaying any more further, let's get started. What I want you to do is go and open your settings, scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Then again scroll down and go for audio and visual. After that, at the bottom, you will see balance, and there you will have a left and right sound balancing range. Make sure that it's in the middle and on 0.00. Now, the second solution is to try offloading your MLBB app. Go to your settings page, then tap on General and tap iPhone storage. After this, search for your MLBB app and then try offloading it. Now, even if this does not help, what I want you to do is go and reinstall your app. Doing this will surely fix your issue. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more amazing contents. Thank you for watching.